What's good, guys? Welcome back to the spot. Hopefully we can kill some boredom. So I got a gentleman, he brought back his mower, the orange Husqvarna. He say it's hard to start for him, and I figured it might be. I idled it up for him and it starts fine for me, but I'm able to push the mower and with my left and pull the recoil with my right to give it a little oomph, because his mower only has 2 full compressions. Wherever the location Husqvarna put the pull spring or the pull string, it's only 2 full compression strokes, and that's, in my opinion, I feel like you need 4 more. So I'm just about to reposition where his starter starts at. So let's get it. Okay guys, here's the mower. It's a 700F, I believe. I forget, but there it is. I'm going to show y'all how he starts it and how it's good enough if you was able to start it, you know, with 2 hands. Okay guys, so I have it tied off, and how he starts it is kind of like this. Man, guys, I hate when it doesn't show the issues or run the way you want. If you work on these little engines, you know what I mean. It's actually idled up, but it's idling really low right now. So I'm just gonna continue and do what I plan on doing anyway. But normally how I like to start a mower, hold this, and I like to push and pull. The issue is, okay, that's 1, 2, so that was only 1 full rotation. 1, 2, 1, 2. That was 2 rotations. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we're only getting 2 rotations, and when it's idled up, that works, you know, but you got to pull more. So I'm going to lower the cord to get more rotations than 2. We're using Milwaukee 732. We're going to start there. Nope, too small. Now we're going to go to a 1/4. We're gonna start at a 1/4. All right, so this is the original location. I am gonna go a little lower. Yeah, that feels good right about there. All right, hopefully I made the hole big enough. Oh yeah, perfect. All right. There we go. Now we gotta simulate the 1 hand, so no momentum. Oh yeah, I get way more. right, guys. Well, so I'm gonna leave it here. I dropped it a couple inches, and I'm gonna let them use it and do a follow-up and see if lowering it helped them. Now when he pulls, he has more motion to pick up some speed. He has, you know, basically all of that string instead of starting here. So you get that big gap of extra momentum. So thanks for coming, guys. Spot you in the next one.